Ano? Kahit ano lang, mahinang ano lang, napakaswabing hand throw, talagang aangat na siya. Very good flyer and easy to fly. Easy to fly and very lightweight. Actually magandang paliparin to be honest. Sa una lang intimidating because I think ganoon naman sa lahat ng aircraft or ng RC plane. Sa una lang intimidating because you really do not know what will happen if you can be able to fly it well in the first time in the maiden flight or not. So yun lang yung intimidating, pero once na napalipad mo na siya sa una, yung mga susunod niya is just very easy na lang yung mga next flight niya because you already know the aircraft. Sa first time lang talaga, especially sa maiden flight, because tulad ng sinabi ko, you do not know what will happen. Nice. Tulad nito, KD 550. I've watched some YouTube reviewer na they are having a hard time flying this aircraft. And yun, tulad nung some other reviewer are only showing the good flight of this aircraft, yung crash, yung test, yung crash, yung frustrations, they are not showing them to their videos. But that's what I want in my channel. Gusto ko transparent, gusto ko lahat pinapakita, kasi people will not know kung easy to fly or not yung aircraft. Tulad dito, very good naman siya oh. May ibang YouTube reviewer lang talaga na nire-review nila to na talagang they are having a hard time flying this KD 550. But for me, it's very easy. And going back sa maiden flight, yun nga, yun talagang ano lang mahirap, first time talaga, because you will never know until you try. Kailangan talaga paliparin mo siya para malaman mo yung ano niya, yung flight behavior niya. Very easy and very maneuverable. Tight turns. Yan na naman. Yun lang talaga, siguro madali masira lang talaga yung parts niya, yung electronics niya, because this is just a cheap aircraft with cheap parts. Hopefully they are selling some parts online. Ganda. Very smooth. Yun lang, easily carried by slight breeze because it's very lightweight. Ganda. Super ganda. Very smooth and very easy to maneuver. Kahit 3 channel na lang Ganda May breeze pa yan guys Ganda Powerful kasi yung ano niya, yung motor niya. And 2S, okay na yung power niya. 2S battery. Siguro yung tunog ng alarm is minutes, minuto, para malaman siguro yung flight time niya. Kasi nagsesend ng beeping sound yung remote niya Siguro every minute yun, parang timer ba, para malaman mo kung ilang minutes ka na lumilipad. Ganda oh. Very smooth. Hmm. Ganda siya oh. Smooth, suabe. Okay, yan na. Ayan na talaga. Uy, lobat na. Yun sinasabi ko sagad. Di mo mapipigilan yung sarili mo eh. Kasi nga tulad ganito, sobrang sarap paliparin eh. Parang ayaw mo nang iland eh. Talagang makakalimutan mo yung kakalimutan mong kailangan mo ng iland eh. Because napakaganda ng paliparin eh. And napakalaking bagay ng tall grass. Saver siya. It saves your aircraft. It saves your money. Medyo may slight bend lang sa ano niya, pero madali namang maayos to. Ano lang to, hot glue. Wala na. Talagang said na drain na. Pero very nice. Very nice paliparin guys. And I just don't know sa ibang YouTube reviewer kung ba't sila nahihirapan. They are having a very very hard time flying this aircraft. But for me, it's very user friendly, very pilot friendly, and easy to fly. Smooth as butter. Maganda. Anyway,